Hello, our dear viewers. We're excited to introduce to you the next generation firm, Xperzon. Slightly before we proceed, we would like to lay a few background. At Xperzon, we innovate, we create, we design, we modify, we formulate, and we transform. Xperzon is solely a 3D space firm visioned by 4 engineers to provide solutions to designs. Our designs pay very close attention to details, cutting across the different segments of life. The infallible Xperzon, in its shortest period of existence, have created and fabricated several agricultural product designs, including a fish pelleting machine, a local solar power dryer, an integrated AI harvester, and a host of other innovations. All these are visioned with a solution to provide peasant farmers who can afford sophisticated farm equipment, local equipment. Other of our designs include a hydrogen-powered unmanned aerial vehicle for transportation and human surveillance. This groundbreaking innovation is not seen only as a beneficial solution to agricultural sector, but a lasting solution to transportation. To carry out our innovations, designs, and modifications, we have partnered with the research institutions and centers, including the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Michael Lamar, University of Agriculture, Abia State, Clinton Innovation Center, Aba, and a host of other engineers and innovators. Supporting Xperzon is unarguably giving a chance to a more future digital